let's address the issue of encountering the unavailable problem while trying to view Instagram stories. If you've ever opened a story only to find it inaccessible with a message stating it's unavailable, or if you've exited the app and returned to find the same story still inaccessible, there are several potential explanations for this frustrating scenario. One common reason for encountering this problem is that the individual who posted the story has actually deleted it. This can happen if you initially viewed the story, exited, and then attempted to watch it again, later only to find it gone. In such cases, the creator of the story likely removed it in the interim, hence the unavailable message upon your return. Even after closing and reopening Instagram, you might still encounter this issue as the story remains unavailable. This scenario underscores the need to consider other potential causes, such as Instagram experiencing technical difficulties. When Instagram's servers encounter problems, the app may fail to connect properly, resulting in inaccessible stories. To check if Instagram is indeed experiencing downtime, you can use a website like Down Detector. By visiting this site and observing any significant spikes in reported outages, you can ascertain whether Instagram servers are indeed experiencing issues. If Instagram is confirmed to be down, the best course of action is to wait patiently until the platform resolves the underlying problems. Once Instagram rectifies the server issues, you should regain access to the stories without further difficulty. However, if the problem persists even after Instagram resolves its technical issues, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take. One such step is to force close the Instagram app from the app switcher and then reopen it. Additionally, refreshing your feed and Instagram stories by swiping may help resolve any lingering accessibility issues. If you find these methods helpful in resolving the unavailable story problem, consider leaving a comment to let others know and subscribe for more tutorials in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.